What's up, YouTube? This is the Rob TV. Today we are doing skip the dishes shift. We're gonna do the area of Lethbridge. It has not been very busy here during the summer, though it is September now. So I was finally able to, after some time, to schedule a shift, 4-hour shift, 6:15 to 10:15 p.m. We're gonna see how much we can make in 4 hours. I am parked outside of Boston Pizza. So I remember last time I did skip in this area, there was a Boston Pizza there and a Montana's there, and they did great. They gave me like really great back-to-back orders. So I'm hoping I can repeat that experience. So yeah, I'm gonna hang around here. I did do one order earlier for I believe $8.75 for 13 kilometers. Normally I don't take that, especially if I'm on DoorDash, because acceptance rate doesn't matter on DoorDash, but on Skip the Dishes it kind of does. You'll go through the whole train. They'll send you a train of orders, and they'll be really good at first. Then they start hitting you with the crappy orders, and if you decline them, then what happens is they stop giving you orders very often. So hopefully I am not going to decline too many orders on Skip the Dishes today. Although this area is well known for lots of non-tippers, so I'm going to tell you how I do. And after a few minutes of waiting, we got our first order for $9.43, going 6 kilometers. That's excellent mileage, and we're going to Mucho Burrito, so yeah, let's go. After some GPS confusion, we have now arrived, so now we're going to pick up the order. So I just finished delivering that order. It was pretty good, short distance, less than 20 minutes. And so now we have another order for $4.75, for 7.6 kilometers. That's not worth it. I just want to get my acceptance rate up to 100%, 90%, so I can start declining every once in a while those crappy orders. So I think we're going to Five Guys, burgers and fries. So yeah, let's go. And on second thought, since it's a low tip or no tip order, I'm just going to take my time. Like, if people are not going to tip, they can wait for service. That's just how it is. So we just completed another order. The order that I was doing somehow got reassigned. I actually wasn't taking my time with it. It got reassigned, so I had to pull over, and then I got another order right away. But it was even worse than that one, but we went ahead with it anyway. So I've been going for an hour now, and I only did 2 orders, and yeah, they weren't very good orders. It's like $12 an hour. I don't even know what that is after gas. So that's not good so far, but we're gonna keep going. Just got another order, $9.66 order to Edo, Japan for 4 kilometers. Hey, that's great. Let's go. So we just finished delivering that order. It was quick and easy. Let's hope we can get a couple more orders within this hour and finish them fast. So we need to be doing 2 to 3 orders per hour if possible. But it's all up to the algorithm, I guess. We just picked up another order to a pizza place for $7 for 7 kilometers. I guess that's all right. Let's go. So we just completed that order. It took a little less than 20 minutes. Let's hope we'll get some more orders. Let's go. So shortly after that, I started driving to McDonald's just to use the restroom, but I have a $13 order. It's a double order, and it's only 3.6 kilometers. That mileage is excellent. It definitely contributes to the crappy orders that I did recently. So yeah, let's take this right away. Sorry about the light. I don't really have a good camera light yet, but yeah, let's go. So we just finished that order in around 20 minutes. Now we have a really good low mileage order, another $10 order, going to Galaxy Cinemas. So I guess they're getting popcorn, maybe hot dogs, I don't know. But yeah, that's a short drive away, so we're gonna take it. We got another $12 order going half the kilometers, so yeah, let's go. It's going back to back. We're heading into our final hour of this shift, so yeah, let's hope it stays steady. Alright, so now we have another order to KFC, $6 and only 4 kilometers for the entire drive. Yeah, we're doing pretty good this last hour. Let's go. With that order's done, we're going to wait for the next order. There's still a bit of the hour left. Let's hope we can get at least 1 or 2 more orders in. We just got another banger. I was sitting in the parking lot of McDonald's, got an order to that McDonald's, and the delivery is only 1 kilometer away for $6. Yeah, what an ending. Hopefully I will have time to get at least one more order in after this. With that order done, in less than 10 minutes, we now have another $9 order to Brown Social House here on the west side of Lethbridge, so that should finish off the shift, unless it asks me to extend, which I might. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know how it goes. And with that, we're pretty much finished our shift. I have 1 minute left on the clock on the shift. It's doubtful I'll get another order, but we made $99.97 in only 4 hours. I wish I could do 2 of these shifts a day. I'd be laughing. I'd quit my normal daytime job for sure if I could do 2 of these shifts a day, 5-6 days a week. And I was pulling in money consistently like that. There was a couple slow orders at the beginning, but I just kept my acceptance rate up today, and it just kept feeding me order after order after order, no slowdown. The orders, the really good mileage orders came in and kind of balanced out those couple other bad mileage orders that I did earlier. So that's really, really great. I'm really pleased with that. I have another 4-hour shift tomorrow. It's not late at night. It's from 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock or something like that. So we'll see how we'll do at that shift, and I will record another video for that. So with that, hit the like and subscribe. Right now, I don't have a camera, so I'm not doing lots of fluff, just straight up showing you what the orders are. I will give you a screenshot of the review of all my orders, and yeah, that's amazing. Peace.